how to allow experience invitation or notifications on your Roblox mobile. So in today's video, guys, I will share with you the easiest way how to do this. Just follow this video till the end. So now on the first, you have to go and open your Roblox. After this, you need to come to this 3 points. Right now, come to your settings and come to notifications. You will find here like many options, two options. So you will click to on the second one here, and you will go to experience invitation, click on. So that's it in this video. I hope it's useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.